Hello everybody, this is Nancy with Amen Acres Homestead, and today I want to show you how to make lemon balm tincture. Now I have already washed my lemon balm and took it off the stem so you wouldn't have to watch me do that. And the recipe says 1.5 cups of vodka and a few handfuls of lemon balm. I feel we have plenty, and you're to put it in a pint jar. But before we do that, I want to make a disclaimer. We aren't doctors, we're just sharing what's worked for us. So if you're taking medication, you need to check with your doctor because some herbs and some medications don't mix well together. But this is wonderful. Lemon balm is good for menstrual cramps. It helps you relax. It's an antispasmodic. It will help with headaches. You can even use it in a different situation. You can do an herbal infusion for your laundry. I can teach you how to make your own laundry soap later on, but today I just want to coarsely chop this. I'm using my ulu. I wish you could smell this. It smells so wonderful. Lemon balm has such a fresh, clean, lemony smell. I may have too much lemon balm. We're going to put in there all that we can. Now this has to sit there for 4 to 6 weeks, and then you put it in a jar with an eyedropper. And then you take it 1 eyedropper full. Now this lemon balm is not anything that you have to worry too much about getting too much of it. So you take an eyedropper full if you're just not feeling well or you just need to relax or you have a headache or whatever. And if you don't think that's quite enough, take a little bit more. This is 1.5 cups of the cheapest vodka, which for tinctures is really fine. That worked out just perfect. Put the lid on and let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks. And in 4 to 6 weeks, we'll come back and we will put it in the bottle with the eyedropper, and I'll report to you on its final state. This is Nancy with Amen Acres Homestead. Thank you for dropping by and watching me make this lemon balm tincture. I've got so much I can teach you and show you. Wes and I got into this due to my sensitivities and health issues, and I can't tell you how much better we feel. So come check back in with us and I will teach you all I know. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Do what you can where you are.